Hi there. Welcome to my Excel tutorial channel. I hope you will find my Excel tutorial clip is helpful. Please feel free to click to like, to share with your friends, or subscribe my Excel tutorial channel. Today, I am going to show you how to use VLOOKUP formula in Excel. The purpose of VLOOKUP is to look for a value and return some information about that value. Although quite specific in its role, this function can be used in some very clever and interesting ways. The Excel VLOOKUP function searches for a value in a list and returns information from another column. For example, it can search for a reference number and return the price associated to that reference, or search for an employee name and return their start date. Now let's get started. VLOOKUP requires 4 items of information, arguments, to work. Equals VLOOKUP, lookup underscore value, table underscore array, call underscore index underscore number, range underscore lookup. Lookup value, the value that you are looking for. This value can be a number, date, or text. Table array, the table to search for the value in. It looks for the value in the leftmost column of the table. Call index number, this is the column number of the lookup table that contains the information to return. Range lookup, logical value that could be true or false. Let's use the VLOOKUP explained in the example on this Excel sheet and return the cost for each expenses in the list. You want to find the expense cost for the transportation. To do that, use equals VLOOKUP, highlight the cell A14, highlight the lookup range from A2, B8. We also use dollar so that the value remains constant. Enter 2 for column number of the lookup table that contains the information to return. Choose false for exact. For the rest, just simply use drag and pull to copy formula. Voila! You have successfully used VLOOKUP function in Excel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in my next clip.